Hello friends, so after a break, welcome back to law subject, Indian Contract Act, CA Intermediate. It is equally applicable for CS, CMA, everyone. Indian Contract Act, Contract of Indemnity, which is very easy topic and you will enjoy this. Simple here, let us take an example. I guess everybody have heard about this show, Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. Best show. If you people are not watching, kindly start watching it. You will get ample of examples from there and it will be so easy and interesting for you to remember everything. So kindly start watching it. Okay. There is a Bhide master in that show, right? He's a tuition teacher. He's taking tuitions. There was an episode where Bhide was taking tuitions of Gotia, a 10th standard kid. And his mother is a Maharashtrian Gangutai. Right? Bhide is a tuition teacher. Gangutai is the mother of the student Gotia. Gotia is a 10th standard kid. That means he is having a board exams. Now, if Bhide promised Gangutai that I am promising you that Gotia will pass only with good results in 10th exams. Bhide promised that Gangutai that Gotia will pass in the exams with good results. And in case if you do not get good results, if Gotia do not get good results, Bhide will return back the entire fees. This is the contract. Contract between whom? Bhide and Gangutai. Bhide promises Gangutai that his son, who is that Gotia, will pass in 10th exams with good results. And if he don't pass, Bhide will return back the entire fees to Gangutai. Right? What is this? This is a contract between Bhide and Gangutai, right? Contract. What is this Bhide doing? Bhide is promising that he will save Gangutai from any loss. If in case any loss happens, Bhide is going to save. He promises. That means two things are clear. Bhide is the promiser, Gangutai is the promisee, right? Promiser, he is promising that in case if Gotia fails, then what will he do? He will compensate back to Gangutai, right? That means that now there might be two situations. Gotia is passing or Gotia is failed. If Gotia is passing, problem solved. But if Gotia fails, now what? Gotia can fail for two reasons. दो reason हो सकते हैं. Either Bhide have not taught properly or Gotia have not studied properly. There might be two reasons also, right? That means, but Bhide is taking risk of both. That means, if to save from anybody, from any loss is called indemnity. That means Bhide is indemnifying Gangutai for what? For any loss occur to Gangutai because of Bhide or Gotia. That means because of promiser or any other person, right? That is called indemnity. The party who promises, that means here Bhide promised, he is known as indemnifier, and the party to whom promise is made, that is called indemnity holder, indemnified. There are two parties in indemnity, in contract of indemnity, there are always two parties. Indemnifier and indemnified. Indemnified if you say or indemnity holder if you say, it is one and the same thing, right? The party who promises is indemnifier and the party who is promised is called indemnified. What is this contract of indemnity? Now I think everybody have understood this contract of indemnity. Contract of indemnity is nothing but a contract to save another person from any loss incurred. Why? By the reason of promiser or any other person. That is called contract of indemnity. Now, tell me something. Will Bhide return the fees even if Gotia passes? No, right? That means in order to indemnify, in order to save somebody from the loss, there should be loss. If there is no loss, to whom you have to save, right? If there is loss, then only that Bhide will return the fees. otherwise he is not going to return the fees. I hope now this is clear what is contract of indemnity. Okay, tell me something now. Will Bhide will have to return the fees before the results or after the results are declared? Obviously, after the results are declared. If results are only not declared, why will Bhide return the fees? What if Gotia passes, right? And if Gotia fails, then Gangubai will have to again pay the fees, tuition fees, school fees, etc. Right? So liability of Gangubai will start if Gotia fails. As soon as Gotia fails, liability of Gangubai will start. Now, Bhide is indemnifier. He had promised to save Gangubai from the loss. So, liability of Bhide will also start as soon as the liability of Gangubai starts, not before that. As soon as the liability becomes sure, then Gangubai will have to pay the payment of the fees for the next year. It becomes sure and absolute that how much amount. At that time, liability of Bhide will start and Bhide will have to return back the fees, not before the death. Those who are interested to know more about it, go and watch just for 10 minutes Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma episode number 2217, and you'll understand the topic very easily and very clearly, and it is an interesting, refreshing as well. So kindly go and do watch it. I hope now everybody understood the concept of contract of indemnity. In our next lecture, we will talk about contract of guarantee. Similarly, we will take an example and we'll talk about it. Thank you. Do like, share and subscribe this and keep learning. Thank you.